Hi everybody. Today I'll be doing all program videos of all programs video in this zanussi dishwasher starting with. You got your rinse cycle there. 65, I think that's to do with the temperature, I think. Not sure. I'm not sure what that is. That's quick wash. 30, I think. I'm not sure what temperature it is. I don't know. It got 10 to 70. Economy 65. Normal 65. Economy 50. I got your reset button there. And your indicator there. Lights and indicator there. Let's say light there. And that's got your say there in there. This was a dispenser on your detergent dispenser there. We recommend to use Rinse shine and clean the dishes. That's what Rinse is made for, ideal. It'll just turn off. Thanks for watching. And good morning to you. Hope you leave a like in this video. That's what keeps it going. I'll make the video for you. Thanks very much for watching. And hasta pronto.